the sturdiest hamper in the industry. Pedigo's fully welded linen hamper features the quiet close lid to reduce the spread of bacteria and improve safety. A fully welded design constructed with heavy-gauge stainless steel, the Pedigo hamper is shipped assembled and ready to use right out of the box. The lid is easily opened using the foot pedal, while the hydraulic system slows the closure to eliminate slamming and to reduce the spread of bacteria and odors. Equipped with Pedigo corrosion-resistant core casters, you can safely and quietly transport the hamper with ease. The hamper's triangular shape takes up minimal space while maximizing loading capacity. Our lidded hamper line has two size options in either stainless steel or powder-coated steel to suit your needs. Pedigo's linen hampers, in stock, fully assembled, ready to use.